Are you guys tired of eating Raita and pickle with the biryanis? Now I'm introducing you a new tomato chutney for biryanis. It's fresh, more like a salsa. It goes beautifully with the rice. So don't waste time, let's move to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This is for 3 guests. Onto a blender, diced tomatoes, 2, few cilantro leaves, 3 cloves of garlic, very thinly sliced ginger, 3, 2 pieces of shallots sliced, 4 pieces of green chili. You can adjust spice level you need. Cover it and pulse it 3 or 4 times. It should be a chunky sauce or a salsa. Transfer the sauce into a bowl. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice 1 teaspoon. Add just enough salt to taste. Combine well. Enjoy a beautiful fresh salsa for the biryanis. The side dish for the biryani, it's ready. It's a tomato chutney, but it's fresh like a salsa. Let's try it. Oh, very good. The sourness from the tomato, a little bit of sweet also, but the tartness from the lemon, spiciness from the chili, and the flavors from ginger and garlic, and the cilantro, and the crispness from the shallots make this into a different level. If you like this, please try it and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just